Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Musam Stelegu responding to us. Njengoba besihlale sikomplain ukuthi ayibo wayeliba bangathi sekaposta usengabakho kakhulu instead ukuthi aposte nabanye abazukulu. Because uma yini mangena ku-account yakhe akapostanga nomzukulu noyi-one. Okay, it's understandable, but why does he have to post usengabakho Mseleku only? Like only usengabakho. It's understandable ukuthi usengabakho is the first grandchild from umfana wakwamseleku, but khona noSine guys, khona noSine, and uSine unomntwana. Okay, umntana kaSine umntana owangaphandle ozohlawulwa isibongo sitshintshe, kodwa naye umntana kaSine umkhulu wakhe lo, umkhulu wakhe. And it's not that we are against uTirelo. Maybe we are against uTirelo, but it's not like we are against uTirelo. It's just that asifuni ubandlululo kube ngathi manje usengabakho is the favorite, because izo-create vele inzondo between abantwana. And some people think he's here to prove a point to uVuyokazi, prove a point ukuthi if ever noNtuli bekalana bekazolona bekazophostiwe. USine washo wathi la kule family le kunama-favorites, nama-favorites kuyaprethendwana la, ayapretenda. But like guys, it's kinda unfair. I said unfair, and everyone sees it unfair. Kuba ngathi kunobandlululo lapha kuleya family leyana. Everything that favors uMpumelelo succeeds, but efavor abanye it doesn't succeed. Kuyakhombisa phela ukuthi vele ubandlululo lukhona. uMpumelelo is the favorite child laphayana, because wenza yonke into ubabakhe ayenzayo ayifunayo emntaneni womfana. Usengabakho is his. What about uNzulu, umntana kaVuyokazi? What about yena? Like akacabanga ukuthi once akhula abona lethombe lezi ukuthi bokuhlala postwa lo, why mina was I not posted? Why mina? Uzozibuza lawo my-question lawo, and then maceba bazomtshela ukuthi hayi mama kho lahlukana nobabakho nahamba ne-Eastern Cape. Kuzoba neli-question ukuthi were you not man enough ukuthi uze e-Eastern Cape uzongilanda? Because obviously there's no way Mhluphekazi noNtuli bangahlawulwanga guys. There's no way. So it's kind of unfair. Lento almost ayenzayo, it's so unfair guys. As being honest. Even if usengabakho umntwana yakhe makasho yena, but ku-unfair. Akungathi abazali abayi-two mabathe babalwile kube sokusafara abantwana. And I hope noVuyokazi allows abantwana bakhe ukuthi baye ekhaya babakhe, because bazosafara yena angabasapota financially, but ekugcineni abantwana bazomdinga ubaba. So guys, what are your views on this? Thank you for watching.